Hey, if you're watching this video, my name is James Nicholson and welcome, and I'm going to talk to you today about customer avatar tutorials and the worksheets that you need to go along with that. Now, I've generated £30 million in my business in 17 years in business now, and I've also mentored thousands of entrepreneurs and business owners using my business accelerator methodology. I'm the author of the book Expert Mastery. You can check that out in the link below. And so I've got a real good experience on how to craft the avatar to attract more of the people that you need. Now, I've actually created a tutorial for you, and in the link below in the description below is a link to my blog, and on the blog is a tutorial on exactly how to do that. Right, you don't have to put your email address on. Just check the link below and you'll get that straight away. And on there as well is a workbook. You can grab the workbook and start using that. But let's give you a quick overview on avatars and how does it work and why do you need one and is it the right thing for your business? Well, crafting an avatar is actually essential. Now, what most business owners do is they will work with anyone that's got a pulse or a checkbook, meaning they're just desperate to get sales into the business. And the reason for that is they haven't attracted enough of their ideal client. What we actually want to be doing is attracting as many of our ideal customers as we can, but also repelling the people that we don't want to work with. And when a lot of people start out, the mistake they do is they will just work with anyone just to get some experience. And what happens is you'll get people that will start to pay you late. They'll negotiate